probably familiar with the problem. Your chart is overloaded with signals, indicators, and conflicting alerts. It becomes hard to tell what's important. That's where Smart Signals Assistant version 2.0 comes in. It's a clean, customizable trading dashboard designed to bring order to the chaos. Let's walk through exactly how it works and how each part helps you trade more clearly and confidently. Smart Signals, your decision engine. The chart reacts in real time to what the Smart Signals engine is detecting. Candles shift color depending on the market's momentum. Green when bullish conditions are confirmed, red when the system detects a strong bearish push, and gray when things are murky or mixed. This immediate visual cue means you don't need to dig through values. Your chart speaks for itself. Buy and sell signals also plot directly on the candles. You'll see triangles for bullish entries, triangles for bearish entries, and a plus when the algorithm assigns extra strength to that signal. These aren't repainting or theoretical. They're designed for real-time use and actual trading setups. The Smart Signals engine is what powers the whole system. It adapts to market volatility using an enhanced machine learning model. That means it's more responsive when the market is quiet and more conservative when volatility spikes, helping you avoid noise and false triggers. You've got two modes to choose from. Trend mode gives signals when a new directional move is forming. It uses a dual-layer confirmation system to ensure the trend is real, not just a blip. When a green triangle appears, it's marking a bullish shift. When a red triangle shows up, it's bearish. If you see a plus sign, that's a strong signal backed by momentum. Reversal mode flips the logic. It's built for those who fade extremes or trade the edges of ranges. It looks for signs of exhaustion and gives signals when momentum starts to shift the other way. You control the time horizon. That's how customizable the system is. Lower values give faster signals but more noise. Higher values reduce the number of alerts but increase reliability. That gives you the flexibility to adjust to scalping, day trading, or swing setups. Confluence Tools. 5 layers of confirmation. Each Confluence tool has its own visual style to keep your chart clean but rich with information. The fair value trail shows as a colored band, cyan for bullish, red for bearish, giving you zones to look for pullbacks. Trend spine is a colored line across the chart, green for bullish, red for bearish, gray for neutral. Trend bias uses a transparent cloud that fills the chart with different shades based on how strong the momentum is. Firmament clouds layer on dynamic zones, more transparent when less relevant, more solid when recently respected. And the trend range classifier changes the chart's background. Blue means trending, gray means choppy or sideways. All of this updates in real time and adapts to your selected time horizon. It's not just about plotting signals. It's about giving you a constant sense of market context without needing to second guess what your indicators are saying. Let's talk about the tools that work alongside the main signal engine. Fair value trail creates a colored price channel. If the channel is cyan, the market's trending up. If it's red, it's trending down. Price pulling back into this trail gives you ideal entry zones during a trend. You can make it tighter or looser based on how reactive you want it. Trend spine is a simple line that tells you whether the market's got a directional bias or not. Green line means uptrend, red means downtrend, gray means indecision. It's especially useful for holding onto a position or spotting when a trend is weakening. Trend bias is a cloud-based momentum indicator. It's not just about direction. It tells you how strong that direction is. A dark green cloud means strong bullish pressure. Light green is fading. Same on the bearish side with dark and light red. This lets you judge whether you're entering a strong move or something that's losing steam. Firmament clouds are dynamic support and resistance zones. These aren't fixed. They expand or contract based on volatility. Think of them as zones of interest. Upper clouds mark where price might struggle. Lower clouds show where support could hold. The transparency tells you how relevant they still are. Trend range classifier is your strategy filter. It looks at volume, volatility, and price behavior to decide whether the market is trending or ranging. That changes the chart background. Blue for trending, gray for ranging. This helps you apply the right strategy. Follow breakouts and trends. Fade edges and ranges. Trade exits. Let the system handle structure. As soon as a signal appears, bullish or bearish, the system generates a full trade layout. Entry level, stop loss, and up to 5 take profit levels are plotted instantly on your chart. These levels are based on current volatility, not static rules, so they adjust to market conditions. Labels appear at each level, and the space between them is color-coded to show your risk and reward visually. Red zone for stop loss, green zone for profit. You'll also see orange X's show up at key points. These are exit suggestions, often before the trend fully reverses, there to help you book partial profits or exit entirely before momentum fades. Component table. Your live dashboard. Everything that's happening is tracked in a live dashboard table. It shows which components are active, what signal each one is giving, bullish, bearish, trending, or ranging, how long that signal has been active, and how that compares to the historical average. This lets you spot when a trend might be overstretched or just getting started. Alerts. The alert system is designed for serious traders who want full control. You're not limited to if this, then that. Chain up to 12 conditions in a specific order. Use both one-off triggers and ongoing state checks. Add time limits between steps. Plug in external data or indicators. This gives you the ability to create deeply nuanced alerts, tuned to your strategy and your risk tolerance. Let's see it in action. On an hourly Bitcoin chart, the trend range classifier says we're trending. A bearish smart signal prints, but you wait for a pullback into the fair value trail. Trend bias shows dark red. Momentum is strong. Trend spine flips to red. You take the short. The assistant instantly plots your stop loss and TP levels. You manage the trade with confidence, scaling out as targets hit. An exit X appears at TP3. You close the rest. That's what the Smart Signals Assistant is built for, simplifying decisions and keeping your trading clean. This isn't just another indicator. It's a fully integrated system that helps you trade with structure, logic, and visual clarity. If you're ready to trade without hesitation and with more discipline, check out Smart Signals Assistant V 2.0. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.